Okay, now this is the so-called mist nozzle that we actually have been fabricated, and as you see, it's something like the side nozzle. The nozzle on top, the housing on top actually have two pin where these are key, where we fabricated actually for both use. One is for this egg nozzle, the other one is for this mist nozzle as well as this slide nozzle. So as you can see, this nozzle of the mist is actually stainless steel on top, and which is actually with flat base. So in order to for this nozzle to sit well in this housing, the nozzle housing, actually inside we actually make a hole that slightly big 1 mm bigger than this mist nozzle, when it can sit flush nicely seated firmly inside this nozzle. So Sai, maybe you can help me see on this one. This nozzle actually will be connecting in the pipe. Before that, you help me to take. Before that, the nozzle will be sitting inside the thing, will be flush with the surface, so you can't see any cutting edge. You can see on the side it's actually flush with the so-called finishes. So how this thing works is actually this housing will be sitting in the PVC conduit that we are going to so-called use for this nozzle hose to be so-called inserted in. So this will be flush with the EPDM. As you take this table as the so-called finishes, this will be flush with the EPDM, where you only see this front plate. So the nozzle will be slot below. The nozzle will be slot through the hose and so-called sit firmly on that so-called housing. So in the event that you and this conduit pipe will be cast inside this so-called structure, the EPDM structure, so only see the faceplate. In the event that you need to do any servicing or replacement of this nozzle, what we can do is we just open up this housing, and push the nozzle additional tube out, so the nozzle can be replaced and repaired. So once done, the tube will be something like a wire. Just pull it back, lock it, and behind we are having a so-called extension, and so I'll lock it with a cable gland. So that's how this thing works. Thank you.